Good. All right, this is how we're gonna conduct the 7-stroke max power row test in a class. So first, I'm gonna show you how to go through it with an individual, then I'll give you the details on how we would do this in a class. So the purpose of this is to determine someone's max power output. The rower is a great tool for that because we're using both legs, your core, back, and arms, and we have a screen that gives immediate feedback. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna perform 7 strokes as hard as we can, and we're looking at the maximum wattage on the screen. Now, the individual rowing, so that they don't have something to go off of, they're not able to see the screen. So we're gonna have the monitor flip down so that they can't see it. A helper, someone else probably in that same row team, if you will, is going to have that person's phone, preferably, and they're going to record the screen like so while that person is rowing. Everyone's gonna have 3 attempts, and they're going to be on a 4-minute interval. More details on that in a moment. So, when performing this test, a few things to note is, you're not allowed to have any starting sequence. So you can't do some short choppy pulls, or you can't do anything weird to start. All 7 pulls must be the same full length. Also, the idea is to keep a similar stroke rate to as you normally row. Now, we're gonna allow into the 30s, but if we get above 40, you're going too fast, and this doesn't mimic your actual power output when rowing. So, what I'm gonna instruct Molly to do is, she's going to grab the handle in her forward catch position. I'm gonna make sure the monitor is on and it's at watts. So I'll turn this on. I've got it set to watts. So Molly, go ahead, grab your handle in your forward catch position. When I say go, you're doing 7 strokes as hard as you can, full strokes all the way, and I'm going to use this person's phone, Molly's phone. I'm gonna record this, all right? So 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I stopped recording, she's done. So that was her first effort. We will have a time clock on the wall like we do in class. If she went at 0, she's gonna do her next attempt at minute 4. So meanwhile, we can probably get another 2, 3, 4 people to all share the same rower. Make sure that you have someone recording all of your attempts. Once Molly has done all 3 attempts, she's gonna go back and view all 3 videos, and she's looking for the highest wattage number she saw at any given time on that screen, and that is her score. That's how we're going to run the 7-stroke max power row test with a class.